Now, when they say, mubalik ta sa ECQ, at that point in time, niadtong nagsugod ta sa atong lockdown diri sa Bohol, ang mga senior citizens and ang mga kabatanunan, wa nato sila gitugutan na makagawa sa ilahang mga panimalay. So, if the people are clamoring for a return to ECQ, so in addition to the curfew, the face mask, social distancing, cleanliness, does that mean that they are now ready and they are asking that we lock down our senior citizens again? So, I want them to understand what that means. We will lock down our senior citizens again. No more 3 days. Ang mga kabatanunan nato, no more Fridays ug Saturdays, Biyernes ug Sabado nila, cancel na pud nato. Ang dine-in, under ECQ, ang dine-in, only dine-out. What na dine-in, ang religious worship, mabalik ta to 0. No more religious worship, no more masses. So, in terms of closing down businesses, a majority of our businesses will close again. So, nang hinaot ko na kung ang mga tao, more than 1,000 are saying that mobalik ta sa ECQ, klaruhon nato kung nakasabot sila. Sabot pasabot na terms and conditions and provisions nga mobalik ta sa ECQ. Now, if they can understand that and they can let me know about it, then I will consider whether we go back to ECQ or not. But at this point in time, akong ipahinumdum sa tanan na sa akong nakit-ana, sa akong kanunay nga pagsuroy, kahibaw naman ninyong tanan na sige ang akong pagsuroy ug pagbisita sa mga sa mga lungsod nato sa atong lalawigan, sa akong nakit-an, Rick, ang mga tao murag nag-relax na. Daghanan di magsulob sa face mask. In fact, you will be shocked to find out that in Sagbayan yesterday, I apprehended an American resident here in Bohol. Why face mask? Why helmet? So I stopped him, nangutana ko niya, "Sir, where are you from?" "I'm from Tagbilaran." "So from Tagbilaran, sir. From Tagbilaran, you got all the way to Sagbayan without wearing a helmet and a face mask." So I had to remind him to please. And he had the temerity to tell me, "Well, I wanted to wear my helmet, but it was full of ants." I said, "Then you should not have left your home." "Where are you from, sir?" "I'm from Arizona."
USA.
You know, when we're in America, we follow your rules. So when you're in our country, we expect you to follow our rules. And what I'm telling people is, if the governor can take time from his busy schedule to flag down people, to remind them to follow health standards, I expect every Bolanon to do the same. Kita na mo budyag sa atong mga kaugalingon, kita na mo pikpik magpahinumdum sa atong kaugalingon, sa atong mga kaparyente. I'm also receiving many comments, Rick, about mga kabatanunan ba? Magawas, they will break the curfew, mag-athletics.
That's right.
We're also studying right now how to apply the penalty to their guardians and to their parents if the minors are apprehended. So allow us to release this next week. The legal department right now is studying this. We will come out with amendments and modifications sa atong mga terms and conditions sa apprehensions for violations of strict health standards.
Daghang salamat, Gob.
Daghang salamat sa